children, and welcome back. So in the first session we have learnt about Kalbelia community and how snake charmers entertain and help the people, and also we have learned about the first aid for snake bite. Now we'll continue with the lesson. So today we are going to learn about how snakes are friends of farmers and also how the snake charmers remove the poisonous teeth, that is fangs of the snake. So watch the videos whichever are there carefully. Now Aryanath is telling the story of his grandfather. So the story continues here. Now Aryanath is telling grandfather was also helping the farmers by catching the snakes. He was doing this since his childhood. They used to help people in many ways. They also entertain people in early days, but nowadays people watch TV for entertainment. Now see what Aryanath is telling. His grandfather is telling a story. So what he told, the grandfather told Aryanath that he was helping the farmers by catching the snakes. Now when his grandfather was small, in his childhood time, he was doing this work, that is catching the snakes. Are you able to catch the snakes? No, we are very much scared of the snakes. But Aryanath's grandfather learned catching the snakes since his childhood, and he was helping the farmers by catching the snakes. Now, when farmers were working in the farm, sometimes the snakes were seen there. So farmers were getting scared, and farmers used to run to Aryanath's grandfather to ask for the help, and Aryanath's grandfather used to help the farmers by catching the snakes. Now this Kalbelia community or the snake charmers, they were helping the people in many ways, like as we have discussed that they were catching the snakes, and they also entertain people by showing the snake dance. We have seen that how they entertain the people by showing the snake dance. But nowadays what is our entertainment? Yes, we all watch the TV, or you all play the games on the mobiles, etc. So nowadays people watch the TV for their entertainment, but in olden days there were no TVs. So this snake charmer show or Madari, like these people were showing the dance of the snakes or dance of the monkeys, like that, and people used to watch them and get them themselves entertained. But nowadays it is totally different. We are watching TVs and also playing games on mobiles. Yes? Okay. Now, do you know that snakes are also called as farmers' friend? Though the farmers are scared of the snakes, but then also these snakes are farmers' friend. How they are farmers' friend? Is a snake big our friend? You will say no, but it is a fact that snakes are farmers' friend because snakes help the human beings or farmers by eating the rats present in the field which spoil the crops. Now rats, what they do? They eat the crops which are ripened in the farms and they destroy the crops. So there will be a loss for a farmer if the rats destroy the crops. So these snakes, what they do? They eat the rats which are present in the field and they will help the farmers. So this way snakes become friends for the farmers. Now the story continues again here. Dadaji's father taught him how to remove the poisonous teeth or fangs of a snake. Now Aryanath is telling the story. So Dadaji's father means grandfather's father. He taught him how to remove the poisonous fangs of snake, and he also taught him how to close the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. Now you can see in the picture in the PPT, you can see the poisonous teeth, or they are also called as fangs. So these teeth were removed by this Kalbelia community or the Saperas, so that the snake will not be, if the snake also bites, the poison will not enter in the human body. So that was the reason to remove the poisonous teeth or fangs of a snake. So Dadaji's father also taught him how to close the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. So to remove the venom or poison, how to insert the tube in the snake's mouth, that was also taught by Dadaji's father. Now we will watch a video to understand it much better. Afterwards we will observe the video. Now before that we will see what are fangs. What are fangs? Now the two poisonous teeth of a snake connected to the poison gland are called fangs. Now you can see in the picture that two poisonous teeth, and these are attached to the yellow color. You can see it is you can see there it is written, it is venom gland. So the two poisonous teeth of snakes which are connected to the poison gland are called as fangs. So you can see in the picture very clearly the two teeth and the poison gland, or it is also called as venom gland. So what are fangs? The fangs are nothing but the poisonous teeth of snake. So we'll watch a video. So in this video we have seen that how the snake charmers remove the poisonous teeth, that is fangs of the snake. How the dentists remove our teeth, in the same way they remove the poisonous teeth of the snake so that it should not harm the people. Now do you know that snake's venom is also used to make medicines for snake bite? Now you can see here the pictures how the venom is extracted or removed from the fangs. So you can see how they are inserting the snake's mouth in the tube, and you can see the yellow color venom is collected in that particular vessel or in the tube. And this venom is nothing but the poison of the snake, and it is used to make medicines for snake bite. So we'll see how the venom is extracted. One video we will see. Yes, so we have seen this video how the venom is extracted from the poisonous teeth of a snake. Now, you have to think and answer these questions. Have you ever seen anyone playing a bean? And where? Second question, have you ever seen a snake? Where? Third question, were you scared by it? Were you scared by seeing the snake? And why you were scared? Next question, do you think all snakes are poisonous? Then the last question is, can the snake hear the bean or does it dance when the bean moves? What do you think? Now these all questions you see, read carefully, think over it, and then you have to write the answers in the comment box. Now snakes, in the first topic, session we have learned that snakes do not have ears in the first lesson, that is super senses. But how the snakes feel? They feel the vibrations in the air when the bean is played. So what are vibrations? The movements in the air which we can feel when a loud music is played, that are called as vibrations. And snake, it does not have ears, but they can feel the vibrations in the air and they will perform a dance, or they will feel the music and they will dance. So today we have learned about how snakes are friends of farmers and how the snake charmers remove the poisonous teeth, that is fangs of a snake. I hope you have understood this, whatever we have learned today. So for today we will stop here. Thank you and have a nice day.